All right, guys, you've heard me talk about how awesome ZGlides are. So we've tried to get creative and actually come up with some unique ways to prove to you the ride difference and the cut quality difference that they make. I'm going to insert this pencil in the solid frame mount right here. I put a zip tie on it. That'll give you an indication of how far this deck is bouncing as we're going across the field. So guys, I want you to watch the videos, make reference to the pencil. It'll be with ZGlide and without.